So in your computer keyboard you can see this is the number lock key, and suppose if the number lock is turned off, you can turn on the num lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now in this keyboard there you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. You did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 10532. So after typing 10532 you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that we have created this symbol. So open your Microsoft Word and you can try this. So this is a right arrow with this is a northeast arrow with the hook. So this is a northeast pointing towards northeast arrow with the hook that we have created using this keyboard shortcut. For more videos you can subscribe.